What's up, everybody? It's your boy Nigel, and we're back in the kitchen. I got hooked up with some fresh halibut from the homie Jason from Hole Intruder Fishing. He's another local business, and today we're gonna make ceviche my way. It's only gonna take a few simple ingredients, including the fish, but I use a lot of pre-made, pre-prepped food. That way it's really quick and easy. It's gonna literally take about 2 minutes to set this up. So if you have 2 minutes, you're about to make some bomb-ass ceviche. Tune in. Take about 8 to 10 lines. I want to juice that bad boy. So 1/4 inch cubes. Okay. Ingredient number one, obviously, this is fresh halibut from the Bay Area, caught by the homie Jason from Hole Intruder. I cut the little pieces of fillets into about 1/4 inch cubes. You can make it as small or as large as you like. I happen to like a little bit of bite. Make sure, since it is fresh fish, you take out all the bones. But peep game, we got about 1.25 cups of fresh lime and lemon juice. We're gonna pour that all over this fish. Look at this. You want enough juice to cover the fish, as you can see here. The fish is actually gonna cook inside the juice. Okay, next ingredient, I'm gonna hit another local business right here, the Michelada from La Costa Azul in Fairfield, California. A lot of people put this in beer. I like to substitute this instead of Clamato because in my experience, Clamato is a little too sweet and I don't really like the flavors. This is bomb and it's supporting local business. So make sure you check them out. Find them on Instagram, they're hella bomb. We're gonna put about 1/4 cup of the Michelada sauce inside. Gonna hit it with a little dash of oregano. You can use the hood version in the plastic bag. I ain't tripping. Just put a little tiny dash. For a little bit of spice, we're gonna use some crushed red pepper. You don't have to use this. It's up to you. This is what I like. Next, some of that good Kirkland black pepper. You feel me? I like fresh ground because it gives it a lot more flavor. A little dab will do ya. Next, I'm gonna use Himalayan pink salt. Costco do me right. And we're not gonna put that much salt because after it's done and it's set, we're gonna make sure that we like the flavor after it's cooked. Now, the real cheat code. From Mexico Meat Market, another local business here in town. I'm supporting them because they're helping me do this super fast and easy, but I'm gonna use even the juice from here. This is Pico de Gallo. You can cut all this stuff up yourself or you can buy it from a local business. I'm gonna pour this up in here, bada bing, bada boom. Now, most of the time there's cucumber in a lot of ceviches. I don't like cucumber that much and it makes your boy gassy. So I'm not using it. Now, you can mix it up with your hands. I use my hands because why not? It's God's given spoon or fork. And all we're gonna do is once it's mixed, slap it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. I'm gonna make sure that it sits for longer than that because I like the flavors to marry. So I'm gonna eat it tomorrow for lunch. So it'll probably be about a 12-hour marination. Look how beautiful that is. And man, that's it. You got delicious fresh fish, vegetables, a lot of locally sourced ingredients, and bam, it's a nice healthy lunch. Little quick tip, if you notice, it is in a glass bowl. You don't have to use glass, but the reason I use glass is because if you use plastic, it's gonna smell like ceviche forever, forever, ever.
Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever.
So don't use your mama's good Tupperware. Use glass, man. Hey, shout out to Hole Intruder for this fresh halibut. Ceviche made my way. Got avocado tossed on top, a little bit of mayonnaise on a tostada. Let's see how it tastes. It's super hot right now outside, so those 100-degree days, this fresh, delicious, cold ceviche is bomb. Only thing that's missing is a beer now, so I guess I better get back to fishing. If you like my recipe videos, make sure you share it, like it, subscribe, and if you try it, tell me how it turns out. I think the best thing about this is the extra flavor. That's that type of Tio spice.
Why is it spicy?
But I think the best part about this is the freshness of the fish, but also that michelada sauce. I only used about a quarter cup from La Costa Azul in Fairfield. Check them out, throw it in your beer, and throw it in your ceviche. It's your boy Nige, and I'm out.